Hey guys, modified my exhaust. Did stuff with the baffles. Found out it was an encapsulated muffler. So beyond this chrome piece, it was just a big insert. Unbolted it, pulled it out, cut off the inside of this side, cut it out, pulled out the baffle, took out all the padding, put the baffle piece back in, the pipe that's you know, the little piece with the holes in it, and made it much louder and clean sounding. See, it's much louder. And I put my blacked out tail ends on. The others are going to be smoked out too. Thanks for watching.